Hello everyone, it's Mike Levin, SEO, heading to work. It's about 9:15, November 20th, 2014. And I came out of a exit from the subway that is 34th Street on the A, and I sort of faced the Empire State Building. There you go, you just see it there as I come off. It's a pretty stunning view, reminding me that I'm in New York. And I do have to say, as I've said before, this place I work now in Midtown makes me feel like I'm working in New York, like the way I've always imagined it when my dad would describe it, because he commuted to and from New York from Philadelphia for, I believe it was 13 years before he stopped doing that and changed his career. And I am 44 years old, and I have moved to New York, live on the island of Manhattan at the very tippy top in a neighborhood called Inwood. Got married, had a kid, and now my commute is the subway on what is probably a 45-minute ride on either the A or the 1 to either 42nd Street or 34th Street. So I have 2 times 2 routes that I can always take to get to and from work. And it's kind of cool because it keeps it interesting. I don't fall into a daily routine so much. There are some routines that are tempting, like to take the A to get to work and the 1 to get home. But I'm going to try and sort of override it for whatever the best features of each route really turn out to be. So I haven't been doing many of these morning videos, especially the walks with Cecil, because it's so cold out. And early in the morning like that, it just is not very easy to take your phone out and leave a hand exposed to do this. So I haven't been. But I haven't been feeling the lack of it either, because I started my written journal, my daily work journal, putting it into the Pipulate project on GitHub, right into the revision control code under Git. So I actually type my daily journal every day now into a kind of a Unix-like command line window on Windows, a very Unix-like environment on Windows, and do all my coding, or not even coding, do my journal typing directly into Vim, into a text file using Vim. And I've been doing that for a few days now, and it's been working out really well. And it definitely keeps my mind in a much more technical place than if I were using email or Google Docs as my place for my daily work journal. So I'm really happy with how that's going, and plan on doing more of that. But what it's going to mean is less YouTube videos, because going into the winter, I'm not going to freeze my hands off and make the real big effort to do videos while walking the dog. Today I can do it because it's a pretty easy walk to work. I thought it'd be interesting. From the 1, it takes a little bit longer, so I have plenty of time. And I am actually going to race to get my tech stuff done, regardless of the YouTube video documentation of it. Like yesterday, I finished out OAuth2 login using, the token, turning it into a Flask session, which is an encrypted cookie on the client, keeping you logged in, also with the ability to log out, and have verified that you have the access to alter Google documents that you've created. So everything is tested, proven, and working. And now I'm testing the file, the CSV file upload ability multi-platform. I ran into some problems on Windows yesterday. I think I fixed them, but I still see some strangeness, like double entries in the output CSV file. And So I have things to casually look at on the side, but now I definitely am going to be balancing my time more delicately between technical and work. And my strategy has to be to always favor doing technical, time allowing, because work is always going to take precedent. You can't not deliver things for clients. So me being involved in client work, raising its overall quality, whatever, advancing the types and nature of the deliverables that we provide, that's all got to be my number one job. But when things aren't really happening quickly, I will take advantage of those openings to advance the Pipulate project, which really is the reason I can do more and better and deeper deliverables in the first place. So it's working out really well. Hang around. Tomorrow will be another Code with Mike Friday, and I'll be putting a lot more polish and refinement onto the Pipulate project now that this pesky long-running OAuth2 login stuff is out of the way. So thanks for joining me, and hope to see you all again soon, and don't forget to subscribe.